Hey everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Today, let me show you this 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500 4x4 Crew Cab Short Box Duramax High Country. That's a lot to say. Fully stock, bumper to bumper warranty, 15,000 miles, one owner, no accidents, clear Carfax. Bought brand new right here in Dickinson, North Dakota. It's completely stock with the exception of the added rear DVD. It has the Bose, the touchscreen, the heated cooled seats. Does have a camper rail in it. We bought it from a local couple. It's super clean. It's like a new one. No weird history, no weird stories. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.